This is the video exporting and running an interactive report in Cognos. In this video, we will cover how to export or run an interactive report as an Excel document in Google Chrome, as Google Chrome is the preferred browser when working within Cognos. We will also cover how to reset prompts to an interactive report that is being viewed. Users may find it useful to export a report to Microsoft Excel in order to work with the information or to save specific information in a report, since most information is updated in Cognos every night. This video starts on the report viewing screen after navigating to the report and entering prompts. Before we begin, it's important to note that there are two different report types, standard and interactive. This video covers interactive reports. The top left side of the toolbar on an interactive report looks like this with the Save, Edit, Undo, Redo, Run, and Refresh icons. Standard reports, on the other hand, look like this with only the Save, Edit, and Run icons. If you are currently viewing a standard report, stop this video and view the video exporting and running a standard report in Cognos. To begin, click the drop-down arrow next to the Run button, which looks like a play button in the top left corner of the report viewer. Several format options appear in the drop-down. The first option, Run HTML, is the default view for most reports in Cognos. If you click this, it'll appear as if nothing has happened since you are already viewing the report in HTML. The second option is Run PDF. This format option may be useful for top-level reports in the Budget Center package, but is not advised for most other reports. Most other reports have too many columns and rows to look appropriate in PDF format. The third option, Run Excel, will export the report to Microsoft Excel with all the original formatting like grouping, sorting, columns with multiple data items, and summaries. This formatting also keeps each page of the report on a separate sheet in Microsoft Excel. If you are working within the Budget Center package, this is the only Excel format you should use. The fourth option, Run Excel Data, will export the report to Microsoft Excel with all the formatting stripped. If you wish to work with the data doing your own filters and sorting in Microsoft Excel or creating a mail merge, this is the best option. Do not use this Excel option when working within the Budget Center package or a report with tables at the top. Some of your information will not display in the Excel file. To export after clicking the Run drop-down arrow, simply click the Format option of your choice. The header will appear, downloading as Excel. After a moment, the Excel file will appear in the bottom left corner of the window. Save or open the file accordingly. The final option we will discuss is resetting your prompt selections. In order to do this, click the actual Run button instead of the drop-down. You will immediately be taken to the prompt screen. Cognos will remember your previous prompt selections, so you may need to use the Deselect All link at the bottom of some of the boxes to clear previous prompt selections. Once all prompts are updated, click the Finish button and the report will run with the updated prompts. This concludes the video exporting and running an interactive report in Cognos. Exporting looks different in every web browser. Although Google Chrome is considered the preferred browser, a detailed resource on exporting to any supported browser can be found by going to our website at.illinoisstate.edu/EDA. You can also email the Enterprise Data and Analytics team at eda@illinoisstate.edu. Thank you for viewing.